Welcome to Passing Through Slowly, where we're exploring 30 amazing destinations across mainland British Columbia. From vibrant cities and mountain towns to coastal communities and hidden gems, we'll discover what makes each place unique. If you enjoy slow travel, local history, and discovering the incredible places that make British Columbia special, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the journey. Now, let's visit Kamloops. Welcome to Kamloops, British Columbia, a city where rivers, rolling grasslands, and wide open skies create one of the most unique landscapes in Western Canada. Located in the Thompson Valley about 3.5 hours northeast of Vancouver, Kamloops sits at the meeting point of the North Thompson and South Thompson rivers. The city's name comes from the Sekway PMC word Kamloops, meaning where the rivers meet. A fitting description of this remarkable location. For thousands of years, the Sekway PMC people have lived in this valley, relying on its rivers, grasslands, and abundant wildlife. Today, their culture remains an important part of Kamloops through the Kamloops to Sekway community, whose history continues to shape the region. Kamloops has long served as a transportation hub. During the fur trade, it became an important trading post for the Hudson's Bay Company. Later, ranching, railways, mining, forestry, and agriculture helped transform the community into one of British Columbia's largest interior cities. Today, Kamloops is home to more than 100,000 residents and is known as the tournament capital of Canada. Thanks to its excellent sports facilities and sunny climate, the city hosts dozens of provincial, national, and international sporting events every year, attracting athletes and spectators from across the country. Kamloops enjoys one of Canada's sunniest climates, receiving more than 2,000 hours of sunshine annually. The dry climate creates landscapes very different from British Columbia's lush coast. Rolling sagebrush hills, open grasslands, and dramatic rocky bluffs surround the city, giving Kamloops an almost desert-like appearance. Outdoor recreation is central to life here. Hiking and mountain biking trails stretch across the surrounding hills, offering spectacular views of the rivers and valleys below. Cartwright Park, one of British Columbia's largest municipal parks, provides more than 40 kilometers of trails through beautiful grassland ecosystems. The Thompson rivers offer opportunities for boating, paddleboarding, kayaking, and fishing. Anglers come in search of rainbow trout, while nearby lakes have earned the Kamloops area an international reputation as one of North America's premier freshwater fishing destinations. Golf is another major attraction. With numerous championship courses and a long playing season, Kamloops has become a favorite destination for golfers looking to enjoy sunny weather and scenic fairways. Downtown Kamloops combines historic buildings with modern shops, restaurants, breweries, cafes, and public art. Riverside Park serves as the city's gathering place, featuring beaches, playgrounds, walking paths, and regular community events during the summer. Visitors interested in history can explore the Kamloops Museum and Archives, or visit the BC Wildlife Park, home to rescued bears, cougars, wolves, birds of prey, and many other native species. The park also plays an important role in wildlife conservation and rehabilitation throughout British Columbia. The surrounding region offers even more opportunities for adventure. Day trips lead to wineries, provincial parks, mountain lakes, ranches, and scenic drives through the interior's rolling hills and forests. Like many growing cities, Kamloops faces challenges including housing affordability, wildfire risk during dry summers, and balancing growth while protecting its natural environment. Yet the city's relaxed atmosphere and access to nature continue to attract new residents each year. Whether you're walking beside the Thompson rivers, hiking through sun-drenched grasslands, casting a fishing line into one of the region's legendary lakes, or simply enjoying the endless blue skies, Kamloops offers visitors a completely different side of British Columbia. It is a city where rivers shape the landscape, where outdoor recreation thrives year-round, and where the spirit of the interior remains strong. This is Kamloops, British Columbia, and we are passing through slowly. Thank you for joining me as we pass through Kamloops. This is the 7th stop on our journey through 30 destinations across mainland British Columbia. From the mountains of the Kootenays to the vineyards of the Okanagan, the rugged northern wilderness, and the spectacular Pacific coast. There are many more incredible places still to come. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Passing Through Slowly so you can join us as we continue exploring the best of British Columbia one destination at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next destination.